Okay, so we're here at the hot springs in Laos, where water circulates like a whirlpool and it comes out from the ground. So we're at this famous park, and soon I'll take all of you to see the hot springs. All this noise that you're hearing, these are insects that live in the trees. Thousands and thousands of these insects make the same noise at the same time. That's why you hear all these noises. Yeah, these are insects making noises. And we're within the park, inside the park. Okay, so we're walking towards the hot spring, which is the whirlpool of hot water coming out from the ground. And all these noises you hear, these are from insects that live in the trees. There's thousands and thousands of them that live here. That's why it made this sound that all you can hear. Look at that plant up there on this tree. Zooming in. I'm not sure what that is, but it's grown on the side of this tree. Again, we're walking through a very popular site in Laos. And all the noise that we hear are from insects that live in the tree. They all make the same noise, same sound. Oh, so this is where the hot spring is. Oh, it comes from within the ground. Oh, so I'm gonna take you around. Okay. Cho nên đến đây tỏi họ Á Long nữa. Họ bên nó kia lắm á. Oh, it's hot water.
Yeah, chị lên bò lè. Rồi cảm ơn cái ó. Rồi cái giống cái giống
Wow, it's really hot.
Yeah. Okay. Dùng luôn. À, you do it ha, còn lo dùng đó có thể. Anh này bảo, tôi dùng cái dùng mà. Ô, chắc còn đâu mua trọ, lo xem nào. Hả? Lo mà. Lo, mua lo. Đá mua.
Cho nên một xác họ đều bao đồng nữa. So this water comes from underground and it's really hot. You can see right there. You can see the steam, not the steam, but the boiling water coming out from the ground. So this is the steam. This is the boiling water, boiling pond. And again, as you saw earlier, the water is very hot. So